frustrated with this because, okay, the window pad right here and this material here, okay, the way they have this set up here is different than the one they actually sent me. They also said that there's rods that need to go into the window pad material to get it mounted to the body. Well, what they sent me was this. Okay, it's already pre-enclosed. It's sewn in. I can't really cut to conform. There is no loop to put any rod through to mount this to the body. I mean, I can still mount this to the wood bow, and also maybe, am I supposed to glue this to the inside part of the window on the tacking strip? That's the part I don't know, but I mean, it's nice material, but it's kind of frustrating because this is yet one more thing. This is one more thing that has not been included in what looks like this. I mean, granted, this is 13 years old, this book, but still, I mean, maybe his supplier or manufacturer has changed the designs on things, but it's like, it's really frustrating because I'm doing this on a weekend and he's not available to call. And it's really bugging me because, I mean, how do I mount this to the body? Do I have to sew my own little thing? I mean, I can, but it's not something I really want to do. Anyway, this has been, I mean, everything that I do, everything I almost have to, because of the synthetic bow, I had to modify that and customize it. You know, everything that, almost every little aspect of this, I've had to do some sort of modification to in order to make it work. And so, anyway, also, I mean, like this, it doesn't say anything about gluing this or stapling this to the window frame. It just says spray glue on the inside of the window pad and install foam pad. Right? Foam to conform to window curve. Recut foam is needed. Okay, that's fine. Window pads look like this when done. Notice window frame is mounted straight. Here says, crooked, fix it now. Now pull pad wrap, which is up here, back to the rear wood bow and make sure all wrinkles pull out. So I don't understand then. I mean, I see this part attaches to the wood bow, but how is this conforming? I mean, how's this, other than there's supposed to be a way to attach it down to the bottom? Is it just there? That's it, just hanging there? I think I'm a little curious as to what this material is for. It's not mentioned at all in the book. Is it just extra? I mean, this right here is where things get put down, right? Wow, that's totally missing over there. That's the one that's keeping that down. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. You start stapling on the wood bow. So I'm assuming because I didn't get any burlap that I'm basically to do what I would have done to the burlap if I'd been there, which is glue 2 inches on, like, you know, ahead and then below the staples, trim there, and then fold it over and let it dry. Okay. Well, yet another thing. It talks about having burlap. No burlap. So I assumed that the same thing you do with the burlap I did with this end piece here, so that's what I've done. If this is wrong, oh well. Okay, here's another example of this. This is shorter than what the other pads are in the book. This is form fitted to fit along with the bows here. This fits over this bow. This form fits over this bow. I tried it the other way around. It doesn't work that way. Okay, the problem is we're good 8 inches away from the front on this one. And we're just right around where we need to be for the back. So that's kind of, it gives me pause. Now either I got the wrong part, although it's labeled the right part, or if this has changed so much. Yeah, as far as the material that goes to the actual metal header bow, I'm 4 inches short. If I move this up here, then these no longer match up with the bows at all. And I see that's kind of what makes you wonder why they're even there. Because it's not in there other ones. Okay, I'm going to show you a reference. This goes all the way to the end. And look how thin that is. It's a much thinner material. And like if you go here, this goes all the way to the metal bow here. I'm about 4 inches off there. I have to go buy more foam. And again, this is right about where it needs to be, but this is really, really strange. Yeah, look, it goes, yeah, that totally makes sense. Ah, look at that. This goes to the rest of it. So yeah, this makes more sense. But this is going to exterior with this one here. Okay, we're good. Thank you. 1000% sure. So do you want to spray?
Oh, yeah.
You want to go gloves?